Assalamu alaikum. This is me Muhammad Faisal Khalil from 19 batch, roll number 19SW109. I am leading the project which is Chaudhary Motors. In this project, my team has shown their efforts for completion of project. My team members are Saikev 19SW106, Sara Amir Ali 19SW110 and Unza 19SW113. In this project, we have used PHP language, CSS and HTML. In this project, user can store or remove data regarding to customer or car. Further, we have added functionalities like if customer has bought car on installments, then his all installments will be shown, how much installments he have left to be paid, etc. We have also added a functionality which will notify us and customer about the due date of installment, etc. Now, my group members will tell about their work. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Inza Sheikh from Software Engineering Department. My roll number is 19SW113. In this project, I have worked on backend. First of all, let's have a look at the coding behind this login profile. Basically, it is a button, only the actual backend working has not applied. But when you click on this button, a form appears. All of this coding that you can see right now that starts from here is about the styling and designing of the form. Moving on, when we put in a username and password in it, the data that has been entered will be set, and we have a line of code. This will build a connection of database and PHP file. In this SQL select line code, whatever data needed can be fetched from here. After that, this loop thing that you can see is going on until all the data is fetched from the database. Right now there are only two usernames in our database. One is Faisal and other is Hassan. But if there are more of them, there would have been more loops. Now enter the password and username. Check according to the condition set if it login or not. After we log in, the user profile opens up. And similarly, we log in to the admin profile. Now in admin profile, we have two things. One is list of all the users and customer details, and other is the product option. And after that, when we go on to the product, there will be a list of all the things that included on the main page. As you can see, all the products are on the main page are listed here. If you want to edit, change or delete, you can do so very easily over here. Like for example, if you want to delete 25th row, we will simply click here. We will then go to the main page and refresh it. The data would have been deleted. So my part ends here. From now, Sara will continue. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, this is Sara from 19 batch and I am a member of this project and I have worked in the part of backend of this project. Okay, so here the element of backend is like this our automobiles. Okay, so as you can see the description of this car, the name, model year and estimation price, these all are get here after being fetched from the database. And okay, I will show you how they get here after being fetched. Okay, here a connection is built. As you can see, select from product statement so it selects the query from here and matches it to the product table. Okay, so let's suppose it's like a car structure, and within that structure a loop is implemented by which data is being fetched one by one. Okay, so here by the product ID, and the product ID I have linked images and gave them name as well. Okay, the purpose here is only to fetch the data of the product using PHP. Okay, another important thing in the backend is the connection file. Okay, let's open the connection file. Okay, the purpose of connection file is to connect our code or backend to the database, or you can say server data project. And thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, this is me again, Muhammad Faisal Khalil, 19SW109. Now I am describing my part in this project. Well, I have done database for this project. Database is playing important role in whole project, as we can see, for fetching any detail of customer, vehicle, or anything like date of sale or purchase, login credits, etc. All this will check condition and use database for the next steps. Well, I have used some queries and conditions for running this project properly. Thank you.